the footer, and we need to let this running in progress. So down here is the footer. I want to work on footer section here. So in the footer section we have one option. What is that? We have to move up to component footer, this one. We have the word here footer showing us that if I save now, there's nothing coming, it's empty. Good. So here in the footer, let's add one more div. But press on dot, press enter. So I have this div. This div will contain small here, just make text small. We want to write the word copyright or right reserve 2018 or the year where we are. So how do we get that one? To get the copyright symbol, first put the word end here, copy like this, and then semicolon. Now if I save, you will see this copyright symbol just appear here. In case if you can't, then you copy this from internet or wherever, you come and test it. So this is the first thing you do. I want to put the word here, all rights reserved, comma, maybe I want to put the year, that's 2024, to any year that it will continue. So to get the rest, I can first add the JavaScript curly brace here. And here to get that date, okay, you can just get the date option from JavaScript by passing out new, add the word date. It's a function preview, like a preview function. Dot get what I want to get full year like this, and first full year also has a function. Now if I scroll down, you can see we are getting 2024. You see, this year means what? If you go to 2025, this one will go to 2025, but this one remain 2024. This one is the original time when we put this portfolio, okay, the day we created it, and then this will be the year it has been going through. So if it's 2024, no issue, to be 2024. The time we reach 2025, this will change to 2025, but 24 remain normal because it is hard coded here. And then it will calculate for us up to go 20, 30 something, 40. We will know how many years from which year it started, and the current year we know this portfolio has taken how many years. So it's up to you. If you don't want to write all those ones, there's no problem. So all right reserve. Then after that one, we have push it in the center. We just go up here by saying text dash center. I do this, everything goes to the center. And then next, I want to put a line here. So let's say this will be a border, but it has to be bottom. It has to be 1. If I do like this, it will last 11 1. Okay, border bottom 1. Let's check the color of the border. Let's say border should be white, and I save. Okay, it failed again. Let's see. Oh, border top, wait, border top. Border top should be 1. Let's try 2. Okay, 1 doesn't exist. Okay, so to make that one appear, we pass it through a custom way, that is inside our square bracket. You can see there 1px, like this it will go, you see. So in case if you want to add other information, maybe before this small text, maybe here for the p property, then you can add here p. After this p, you can say maybe developed by you put your name, Emmanuel. You can finish the rest. And then if you want to also work on this text, you can work maybe you can first make it a little bit bold, so cn font dash bold. If I want to make it italic, so I can just type .italic like this. And now if I scroll down, I can see my result here. So if I want to give also a space, when I give a space, I can add here my of 2 like this. You see. And also for this p, for this div here, it can have a my property of 4. Give us that nice space. You see. So are you okay with the concept, Emmanuel?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. Now view my project. Now let's go and implement this Instagram and Twitter. So how do we deal with that one? We first need to put the icon. This thing of writing text, I don't think it's good. Me, I want to use something different. So I will first of all go to where it is. So let me go to navbar. I'll go and figure it out from there. I'll go to navbar. I'll close my footer. Homepage navbar. Inside navbar, I have navbar and you have navigation. Let me go to navbar and see. So we get them here. So let us get them from the icons here. React icons. So from the React icons, I can definitely go and grab it from there. The first one was Facebook. So this one, let's copy this all like this. I'll go to my project here on top of my post navbar. I paste it there. I pull this Facebook and I replace it here with the, oh, it's not Facebook even, it's Instagram and then Twitter, which is later now X. Okay, let's go. Let's start Insta. Okay, here we get this one is good. Copy this, replace with what we have here. Now we can get this Instagram and then pass it here for the place of Insta. Next is the X, which is the Twitter. Let's try Twitter first of all. Is there Twitter? Tweet. The Twitter exists. How about X? They said please enter at least character. X Twitter. Okay, it's here. So they have added their logo already. You can copy this. But if you want to go with the Twitter icon, also no issue, it will work. So cut this one and then represent with this one here. So now I can go back to my browser and see. Refresh. Getting this error saying does file exist. Failed to resolve import React icon FA JSX navbar. Okay, let's see, did we even install it? Let's go to package.json. This is where you can confirm whether something, we are going to confirm whether React icons, this one, is installed. Go here to package.json, go to dependency. No, it doesn't exist, so we need to install it. So we do like this, Ctrl plus J. We first stop our project from running by making Ctrl C to stop it. Clear our terminal. Npm I means install. Then I put the name of the package I wanted to add. So I will add the package called React icon. After I add the package name, I will rerun my application again. So let's wait. The installation process also depends on the internet. Okay, everything seems to be installed. Then I can clear this one, CLS. Next I will rerun this application by npm run the development, and then after run the development I can wait. If everything here is running, I will just refresh this one here and everything will just get the same effect. You see, automatically it start running there. So hope the icon will work without any problem. Yeah, you can see up here we have X and we have Instagram. So I'm okay with the size, but in case if you want to add size, just feel okay, go here, add the alt. After alt, make this one size like this, size, and then put this one and then close this one. Here you just specify any number you wish. Maybe I want to put 20. This 20 will be in px, and you see it's increasing there. Maybe let's put a big number so that you can see very 100. If I put 100, you will see how big it is coming. You see, one is not changing. I'm putting in navigation, sorry. The other one is supposed to be in the X. I mean this one, the size here, it's supposed to be in X here, like this, so that all of them will be big. You see? So 100 is too big, you need to remove. You want to make it just 20, so okay, 20 for Instagram, and then 20 for this one. Okay, but how do we make it when we click? We want to take someone direct to the Instagram of the person, so the condition will be on the using the anchor tag. Okay, so this tag is A only. Press on A, it asks you to put the href. Href is asking for external redirection. Okay, you want to redirect to external, not within your application. So here for this situation, we first want to push this one inside there, like this. Now nothing changed. The same thing here for the Instagram. Cut it and then put A. Sorry, close this A and then pass this one inside, and then it will contain. Wait, there's error somewhere. Okay, you have this one. Paste it here. Okay, this one must have the opening tag. Okay, like this. Then here it has an href, need to be passed. Href, external resource. So this will correspond when we click, it will take us where. So let me get my Instagram or X account here. How do I get this? I first go to my social media. If it is yeah, I think here. Let me type Insta. When I press on Instagram, I'm sure it will take me to my Instagram. If you're using phone, you can just copy and then you can just send it to your WhatsApp and everything. So just give me about this one. Okay. So what I can do, I have to go to my profile so that I can get it. So the my profile is here called Alison the best here. I'll just copy this one. After copy this one, I'll go back my Instagram link here. Where is my Insta? This one. So here is a href. I'll pass it here. Then if I save this one and try to see from the end, try to see from here. Now if I refresh and click on this Instagram, there's one challenge. It's going to open my Instagram and it's also rewriting my app. You see my app is not visible, so I want this one. Once I click on it, let it open new tab and let my application remain constant. So to add that property, first go back where we have this A here, this anchor tag here. I can just add here target. So in the place of target, let it be blank page. That means I'm opening new page, blank, like this. So I save this one and put this one under refresh. Go back and click on Insta. Now it will open new tab for me, but my application here remains good. You see, that's how I want it to be. And also you can see, can take me there to this application of mine. So this is the first way of getting that one. The same thing you can do with the one of X. So I can copy this. I just come to this one here, I replace here, then I will go and get my X account. Okay, don't need to have double href. I want the href out like this. Let me go and get my X account. I can just type here link. Oh, it's Twitter. Social network company. It's now X completely. Okay. So I think mine is working, but they are asking me to subscribe for premium. I don't know, so they don't must. So here is my X. I just go to my profile and I click here, log out, add an existing account. Have more option. Okay, let me click on this. Okay, this is my profile for X. I can copy this one. Something went wrong, but don't fret, it's not your fault. Okay, it's not my fault, it's your fault. So let me go here and copy this and replace this one here. After I can just paste it, save. Now my X completely added. Now if I refresh here or click on X, you see this one is working very perfectly. Okay, you see, join this one and I don't follow people, I don't know, just open account and leave it there. No follower and no zero following, zero followers, so just to have that account in case. So let's go back. Then here you can go and get your real logo. Okay, you get your real logo, you can just put it here, there's nothing wrong about that. And then next yeah, this one is good. Yeah, this one is very good. Now let's see what could be the next. The next is about clicking those one here. When I click, I want to navigate through. Okay, Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Okay, so
I'm actually
good. So the next challenge will be how do we navigate from this one here. When I click here, I want to see the navigation happen. So how do we deal with this one? There could be two ways how to handle them.
create one page.
Yeah, the first we have to add navigation here. So to make this one works, it really needs some work. So it's not like the one in Next.js. You can just create a folder within app and then you just forward slash to that one and it works. Here is a very different. So here we need to install one more component package called the package is called React Router DOM. This can enable us to navigate within our application very fast. So cls npm run dev, not run, npm install react dash router dash dom, like this. Press enter. Once you press enter, it will install for you. It's a small package also, it's not that big, so we'll wait and see when it ends. Okay, you can now exit this terminal and remain with one only, which is good. Now we go back here and say source. How do you implement this one? You first go to source, go to app.jsx. This is where we can implement, because this one is the foundation of our basic page here. That index represents everything that appear here from the first page. Okay, so to make this one work now, we need to add some routing system. So we're going to say, okay, here we're going to have one thing called browser router, like this. Browser router need to take everything. This will enable our application to route easily. Number two, you said?
No, not too far.
Okay. Then the next thing will be, I need a route like this with the plural. This one is also coming from the same thing, so I will pass this one like this. Next, inside route, I need a single root now, single page that I want it to appear. So I can pass root like this. It's also coming from the same library. So this is how it will be done. Have the browser router followed by routes, and then the rest will go inside here. So if I want only the page in the middle, you see here nothing is going to work, it will be throwing some error. If I want only the logo, which is the navigation on top navbar, and then the footer to remain on top, okay, so that doesn't change, anything will be changed within inside here, then I have to go and specify outside here, outside route here, I can add my footer, my navbar, navbar like this. I can add my navbar like this. Then down here I can add my footer also, footer like this, so that it doesn't affect. Then the rest of the file will be here. So that means inside my index, if remember now, if I go like this, you can see I will have double navbar here. You see, I'm having everything double. So for that case, I will have to do one thing. The first one is either I go inside my component, go to index here and remove my navbar and footer, or just go and remove this one here, auto cut this one all, and then go to app, introduce this one here. It is a class, okay, cm, add the cm, pass this one there like this. You can have everything, but you're getting double, you see. Now inside my index, I have just to remove the two things here. This one should go out, and then this one should go out. Now I have my index. I can remove them from up also, and remove this from down. So I will have my index, and it will be simple. Now wherever I add anything, my footer and the navbar is automatically added to the system. Now let's go and put in practicals. Now we have index. So if I go back to my admin app here, I have my index here. So this index is going to be under condition. If I just go to path, it makes sure exact here, exact, then you have path. Path here is just the direction where it's / means in the home page. www.com is the home page for that one before you start navigate to other part. Then you need to pass element here. An element will take this curly brace here. Then you can pass the page you want it to appear. Now what will happen if I go to home page? You will only see this one. Now home page slash about, what will I see? I cannot see anything, but my footer and navigation already exist there. I don't need to worry about creating them anymore. So what I can do here, I can now specify. Let me get back first of all. So I need about, project, and contact us. So I have to connect them here. I will have to push this one straight down 2 3. So the second one is going to be about, and then my projects, yes, and then the last one, contact, like this. So I'll have these 3. That means I have to connect them all here. So here about will be, this will be about here. I am calling the component, okay, about. This component is coming from pages here. I have about here. I need this about, I need the contact, I need the project. So let's start with about. So in the app here, I can type about here, and I click like this, it appears. The next project, so I have to write here projects. So let's see, here I can open this, then I will go here, rewrite that s back, and the auto enter to import. Then contact, I have to go to contact, open it, go back here, I can type here contact like this. Now the meaning of this one means what? If I go to / about, it will appear for me about. If I go / project, it will appear project. So now I've successfully put the routing system for this one. Then let's see in real life. Now let's go, because this one is not activated yet. Let me go here now and say for the case of about, where are we gonna be? That's about. Press enter. You can see here we are already in about. For the case of projects and contact us, is the same thing. Press enter, you see contact. So everything seems to be working just fine. Okay, so let's go and see how we can implement them. So I first go to navigation, because navigation is not finished. First go to navigation here. So in the navigation, remember we are having what? This link, and we are getting the li. So for my case, I don't want to pass the li, I want to pass a link, and then li inside link. So I first need to pass link like this. Remember, link here is coming from React Router DOM. It's not like the one of Next Router. It's coming from React Router DOM. So I click this one here, everything close, and I pass this one here. So the errors will start the key. The key is always passed in the first element after the map function. The first div that comes is the one we can pass the ID there. So when I pass the ID there, now what's next is to pass the to property. In Next.js we have href. Here we have to property. So to property, I have to pass it dynamic by using a backtick, this one here. Then here what I can do, I can pass the dollar symbol, pass the curly brace, and pass x dot path like this. In case if you don't know, okay, it's mentioned here path. Okay, so here we are good to go. Let's go and save. Everything seems to be having some trouble. Let's see also what is the problem. By Control Shift plus I, go back to console log, come back here and see what's the problem. They say the above error occur in link component. Okay, cannot the structure property based name of React to use context is a null. Let's see what's exactly here. So we got link, and link is coming from React DOM. Don't see any problem here. X dot, are we getting x? Yes, x dot title, x dot path. Okay, and then for key is x dot underscore id if you don't want to pass this one. Okay, let's let's see, Control Shift R. Let's first of all get it back. Oh, about is okay. Refresh. So when I click on projects like this, contact, part, home. Let's see. Nothing seems to be working. Control Shift R. They keep crashing. There must be a serious problem about implementing. Let's just read very well. They are saying consider adding error boundary. It's not the problem. Scroll up again. Paste name of new. Let's see here. So we have link, have to property. Okay. I think we don't need to pass this one here. Link property is always okay. Let's first of all remove this and see where the conflict coming from. Save. I hope the error will go. Refresh. Okay, the error is linked to this one. Let's return this back. This one is fine. Let's first of all just stop this one and then add here something like P, maybe a key, of I. And then pass here X dot title, just for the sake of stopping that error. Let's see. And then let me uncomment this and then cut it out from here. Let's see is there error or not. Now everything seems to be okay. Okay, now the error is the link. Let's go and put this one back and refactor it very well. Let's first remove this one. So we get link have to property. Have link here. It's coming from React router. Have links and links, so there's no connection with that one. And then let's see here. It's updated. Let's see back retrieving. Okay, by default this one is to the string. Nothing. Links that map to. Okay, let's do like this. We're going to make one component. Take this one out, take this one out, return this li here, add here key, and I pass x dot underscore id. Let's remove this I from here, passing the id. Let's see. Good. Now the same situation, let's try to pass the id with the, let's see this link. First of all, remove it from there. Let's add here this link. It's come from React router DOM like this. Close this one pass this one step by step this time. Pass this one inside. Now let's take the ID here. Remove random click like this. So now let's see. Will you talk about the property? Refresh and then refresh. So what is the type of error saying? Cannot distraction property of the base link link. Okay, 15 minutes. Here we have a link property. Okay, we can do like this. Instead of adding this link like this, we're going to pass it inside a div. Okay, inside this div you can pass link inside, and then the key also will be transformed from key here to this component here, which is the div. Now let's see, will we have some error? Okay, do we need to stop our component from running? CLS npm run dev. Okay, let's get back. The error is mounting. Okay, Ctrl B, Ctrl J. So to refuse this one, let's add 2 / imagine. Error to move the structure a base name. Okay, let's see, here we have ID, we have title, we have tag. Okay, let's turn this one to a div first of all. But here you can put a component. Type data component like this is equal to link. Then it will have the property of click. So what happens when I click on this one? Component link. Unknown property component found. Don't take component here. Okay, let's turn this one back into A here. Then here you can have the href. The point if you put href, there's chances that it can take us outside this one. Let's see. I also keep refreshing. Okay, let's add here now this one, and then tag backtick, and then let's add the dollar, let's add this one curly brace, let's add the x dot path like this. Let's see what will happen. Okay, when you click on about, okay, take us to about home, take us to home, but this is not the correct way of making it. You say it's refreshing. Can work okay, right? Shift and I. When you click on about, it's going to refresh, take you to about. If you go to this one, is going to refresh. Contact us to refresh. So this is not the correct one. So let's check the documentation. Go here, type react dash link. Let's see, maybe they have entered new one. People are busy changing library all the time. So you have react link again, link icon hyphen. Let's type this link here with a capital letter, link. H1 return link ref back now, scroll up. Okay, let's just put React, the library React router DOM. This is where we get everything. Okay, if you scroll down, then give definition, React router interface, binding for using React navigation. Taking us to something different. Root. Let's go here. That's the official website. Okay, 6. So what's new? So we have route link. Okay, the links. Yeah? Then we have path. Fetch, label, children, action, route. Are you getting me, bro? This property here. Okay, the property say here link to ABC, link to. So this is what we are getting, and then I think we're very wrong. No, we're very correct. Link to relative path. Yeah. Link to, we put the directory. It has to the path that we wanted to do, special like home / this one. Yes, flash down. Nothing wrong here in this code. Here is going to be a link. Here will be two property. Here will be link, and then here also will be link save. Let's see, are we having the same projects? About, and then / then contact. Let's make sure those ones are the same with the one you have in the app. Let's go here and see from the app, about, projects, and contacts. They are well written. Then here have contact, projects, about, and then home / They have / in the beginning. We need to add this / here. If we add this arrow thing / it's not the problem with that. Control Shift I. Let's see. The error continue challenging here, saying cannot distract the base name and React to use context as it's of new. Cannot distract you. Did you get this one in a very good way? X. We're getting X to map through. We're getting the title X title path. Okay, let's destructure them. Reaching here, we're going to destructure everything. First of all, we are going to get underscore ID, and then we'll get the title, we'll get the path. So we destructure this direct. Then instead of x dot something, we are just going to pass the title. Here we're not going to edit x something, we are going to pass the path, and then instead of id, we are passing the id direct. That is called destructuring method. Now, after the structure is adding the same error. Let's check this on through AI. Saying the error saying cannot destructure property base name. Okay, let's first copy this code of ours. Copy, then here pass into AI. Then click here to open this one very big. Have enough space for query and this. Paste it there and then say getting the error cannot destructure a base name. So let's just copy this error also. The above error occur cannot destructure error occur in the link. Okay, this is the error occur cannot this one of a new. Copy this error, come and add this one down here. Replace this line with it like this. Click on this send. Let's wait and see. The network is very weak. Let's copy this one, yes, and then Roxanne. Can we decide property of this name of React to context of mule? Yes. Close this. Are you there, it's me?
Yes, I'm here.
Good. Let me check the minute there. It will give warning before. A remain 3. I think we will end this one there. This one is going slowly for us here already. Like remain 3 minutes. So first of all, return this one just here too. This one A, and then here is going to be href. It's just fine like this. Now stop this link. We're fixing it next Tuesday. Then go back here, refresh application, everything will work perfect for you. When you click on about, it can take you to about, project, take you to project, this one take you to there, home take you to home. So it has to do with this anchor tag. The link will fix it by Tuesday, okay? Tuesday morning. Then the second thing also, you need to go and rebuild it. The video is already uploaded. The one of yesterday, the one of today will be uploaded also. So you have weekend. Make sure you weekend you work on everything. And then there is one challenge also you're going to do. Try to make this one a mobile, like the one we did in Next. Okay. If you click here, if you go to mobile view, I just want to see logo here and the toggle. When I click here, I want that toggle to open here, and then you can select home about, and then you can close it back. Okay. Just
Okay.
I mean this one block. Take happy early. What do you take happy early? I mean this one. When you go back here, this one here. open.
Okay, I should fix it, right?
Yeah, this
I
one
should do it.
you can implement this one there. Then I will come and see if there is error. I will correct you. And then
Okay.
about you, you can put anything about you. You describe yourself, and then projects. Try to put the project. Build one project or that blog. You can describe that one in a cards. Let you describe them in a card in this format. Okay, cards like this showing a project, and then with the link. When you click that, you can view the project live. Okay. In case you can add the contact, then I will come back and guide you in case. Okay. All right then.